Insan, happy birthday. Thinking of you. Okay, bye. See you soon. Bye. Happy birthday. Tayo ay hindi na mahaba ang buhay sa mundo. Pero mag-enjoy tayo habang nabubuhay pa. Yes. Amen. At saka alam mo, kahit may mga edad na mga anak mo, kailangan ka pa rin nila. Kaya dapat mabuhay pa tayo ng matagal dahil kailangan pa nila tayo. Okay, bye. Happy birthday again. Enjoy. I love you.
Happy birthday po. Enjoy kayo.
Bye. Okay.
Greetings from Reston, Virginia.
Happy birthday, Chatina.
Happy 84th birthday. Enjoy your day.
Enjoy.
Hope to see you soon.
Be healthy.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Hello, Auntie Tina! Happy birthday! We love you!
Auntie, happy birthday! We miss you, we love you. Pagpalakas ka lagi, Auntie Tina. Lilis for you, Auntie.
Happy birthday!
Hi Lola Tina, how are you? I hope you have a great birthday in Philippines. Stay as beautiful as you always are and have a good one.
Mare, happy birthday. I wish you the best in life. No longer life, good health, success in all your endeavors. I love you, and I will pray for your longer and longevity in life. Love you, Mare. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, happy birthday! Happy birthday, Mama! Happy birthday, Mama!
Hi, Mama. It's your favorite apple, si Joy. Of course. Joke. I wanted to greet you happy birthday. I'm sorry I can't be there kasi I'm here for school. I have just one more semester left, pero after I graduate and start working, I promise I will visit you very often. Okay, Justina Cinderella? I wish you the best, and I wish you many, many more years to come. God bless you, Mama. Queen of my heart, I love you. Mwah!
Happy birthday, Mama!
Magaling po kayo. Papasyal po ulit kami dyan. Love you po. God bless.
Hi, Ma! Thank you for everything. Palakas po kayo. I'll wait you here or kita tayo po pag uwi namin ulit ng Philippines.
Bye-bye.
Love you, Ma!
Love you.
Love you.
Hi!
Kami
ang mga Paharika Camps.
At gusto lang namin batiin si Mamang.
At wala makakapigil sa amin.
Kung gusto nyo, batiin nyo rin si Mamang.
Happy birthday, Mamang! Love you!
Tama. Teka lang. Meron pa.
Kung gusto nyo, gumawa rin kayo sa rin ng bate.
Tama na yan.
Happy birthday. Alam ko na lahat ng mga kaibigan mo, hindi nila nalilimutan ang iyong kaarawan at lahat sila ay bumabati at lahat sila nagwi-wish ng talagang magandang pangarap para sa iyo. Ganon din ako. Happy birthday. Ang wish ko, mahabang buhay. Stay happy and beautiful always.
Happy birthday to you. I wish you, of course, long life, good health, and more happiness. Happy birthday again. Mwah!
Maraming salamat sa iyong suporta sa iba't ibang palabas ng ABS-CBN. Maraming salamat at sana'y patuloy ang iyong pagiging sexy katulad ng aking mga kaibigan dito sa ABS-CBN. Malusog, masaya, mayaman, maligayang kaarawan. Mabuhay ka and God bless.
Happy birthday to you. And God bless you always. I love you.
Happy birthday and I wish you all the best. And of course, your birthday, dapat masaya ka. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Mag-enjoy kayo. And easy lang sa mga handa dahil baka masama sa inyo. Anyway, enjoy po. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday po sa inyo. Alam niyo po nanay, kaya po tayo buhay pa dahil tayo po ay may mission pa. Ibig sabihin, kinakailangan po tayo magpalakas pa dahil marami pa po tayong gagampanan tungkulin. Diba? Bilang lola din. Alam niyo yun, Nay? Tandaan po ninyo, ha? Kayo po ay may mission pa, kaya kinakailangan habaan po ang buhay at galaw-galaw. Nay, God bless you. Mama Mary loves you. Happy birthday po, Nay.
Happy birthday! Sa'yo ang pulutan! Sa'yo ang pulutan!
Happy birthday! Mwah, mwah, mwah!